Hello everyone, I'm Raghav Nagpal of Course BBA Semester 2 Evening Shift would like to give the e-commerce presentation on the topic of impact of COVID-19 rising cybercrimes during lockdown. Now here are the contents. First one is impact of COVID-19 on e-commerce, second is rising cybercrimes during the lockdown, and third thing is things you need to remember to keep safe from the cybercrimes during this lockdown. Now, what is impact of COVID-19? First one is in this surreal experience of self-isolation across the globe, people are rediscovering long-hidden talents, introducing themselves to crafts, books, music, and movies, and apparently they are also shopping online and spending considerably more than exactly a year superior. Second is number of tracker change daily and are reflected of the dramatic rise of those staying at home during the coronavirus pandemic. Third is online shoppers are making purchase more than quickly that they had in 2019. Fourth one, the mobile orders have increased as retailers reduce purchase friction and offer mobile only for promotion. Fifth one is the food retail category saw nearly 200%. Sixth, the e-commerce sales for the food retail category continues to grow at an unprecedented rate, reaching year-over-year growth of nearly 580%. Now the rising cybercrimes during the lockdown. First one, with the billion of people under lockdown and people working from home, criminals are going online to make easy money. Cyber criminals are exploiting the fear among people about the pandemic through email, scams, phishing, ransom attacks, etc. Second, the cyber criminals have been exploiting fear about the COVID 19 outbreak to conduct the email scams, phishing, ransom attacks. These email and messages entire users to open malicious attachment by offering more information related to COVID-19 situations. These files are masked under the guise of links, PDF, MP4, and docs files. Palo Alto Network Regional Vice President of India and SAARC Anil Bisin said. It is not just individuals who are being targeted, companies too are under increasing risk. Companies large and small will be impacted due to ramifications of work from home as this will lead to the cybersecurity risk concerns. Proprietary corporate data is being accessed from laptops and home PCs that will not be have the same level of firewall and security as an office setup, said Deepak Bhavani, CEO at Alia Consulting. Management and IT managers will subsequently need to re-access the risk to their data and proactively evaluate their data loss prevention processes as this can impact their reputation going forward, experts said. Low security standards from home Wi-Fi system pose a serious threat to cybersecurity sector at the moment with data of millions of peoples all stake. The role of cybersecurity companies at this moment is more critical than ever. It is essential at this moment to monitor baseline behavior and an anomalous cyber activity should be looked into the real time basis. Now, the steps you should remember to stay safe from cybercrime during this lockdown. First one, change your default password of your home Wi Fi router to prevent hackers from accessing your network. Second, do not allow anyone else to share your work computer and other devices which you have brought from your office. Third one, don't forget to turn off the remember password option when you are logging into company's information system and application from their personal devices. Fourth, ensure that your remote session automatic time out a specified period of inactivity that they require re-authentication to gain access. Fifth, respond carefully to file masked under the guise of links, PDF, MP4, and docs files. Sixth, if you are not sure of the news, don't forward the news on any social networking sites. And the last but not the least, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching the listening my presentation so patiently.